This is a label printer imported from Japan. Today we dismantle this machine. Here's the labeling tape. It goes in this position. The whole design of the product is good. This is a complete QWERTY keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the motherboard via a cable. This is the main board of the printer. This is 2 sets of modules. This component, controlled by a small motor, is used to control the labels. This is the core component. This group also has 2 motors. The main purpose of this motor is to cut the label tape. This motor is connected to these gears in the back. Control the shaft. This is the core part of the whole product. This part is the motherboard. These are 2 capacitors. These 2 capacitors are for power and energy storage for this motor. This is the main chip. These are the 2 chips on the back. These chips on the back are made in Japan.